Don't worry about the lifespan of your washing machine anymore. With EcoSilenceDrive, your washing machine is quieter, more durable, and more energy efficient than ever before. Instead of carbon brushes, EcoSilenceDrive works with magnetic force that helps to minimize any friction. With less wear and tear, the washing machine has a longer lifespan and you'll enjoy a more energy-efficient wash. What's more, thanks to lower noise emission, it's convenient for operating your washing machine in open or eat-in kitchens and at night. This is EcoSilenceDrive for washing machines that are quieter, more durable, and more energy efficient than ever before. Bosch, invented for life.